This is Carrie. Let me introduce my factory to you, and also I will show you our production line. Let me show you one by one. You can see the part before me is our A1 square. In this part, we will make some small spare parts together in this square. Before the whole production line, some small spare parts can be assembled in the very beginning. After this, we will use this machine to assemble the motor. Yes, you can see some motors here are ready to assemble on this machine. All these parts is A1 square. Then let me take you to the whole production line. That is A2 square. Okay, this is the inversion production line. You can see that some important step would be shown on the top of the production line. Many important steps. You can see on the first line, it is inversion. That means the frame would be put on this end. We will put some parts on it. For example, the shock absorber and other spare parts would be assembled on this. This is the first line, the inversion line. Then after this, the electric bike would be in this line. This is the second line. We will put the wires and controller on this, one step and one step. You can see that the important step would be all shown on the production line. Let me introduce you this. This would be the work here. The whole line. This is a second line. Let me take you to the end. This is the end of the production line. After all products finished, we would test the goods at here. After finish the whole production line, we will take the goods here, and this is show the testing space. This is the B1 square. All the products would be tested at this place. If the goods is no problem, it would be go to another place, is the packing machine. But if there are some problems, we will put the goods there. That is some problem goods in there. And then we will test which is problem and solve all problems there. Then let me take you to the B2 square. This is the package machine. The goods would be packaged here. After the package, we go to B3 square. These are some stock. And after the package, this is some stock here. Then the workers would take all the stocks to the big store square. This is the B3. Let me, after the B3, this is the B3 and this is the B4. That all the products that finished the production. Then let me take you to the stock. This is the stock that is ready to ship. We will do the loading at that gate. That the container would be at there. These are ready to ship stocks, and that is also the stock. Some stock are in that square, but these are ready to ship. We are doing the loading right now. You can see we will do the loading like this. Also, your goods would be loaded like this, but the container, not the truck. This is all of our factory and our production line. It is very nice to introduce all this for you. We also make all information in the document. Hope we can have a chance to cooperate with you. Thank you.